How to make a moving platform in Roblox Studio. Create a platform part and name it Platform. Duplicate the platform and name them by numbers. These parts represent the positions and order in which the platform will move. In the number part, set Can Collide and Can Query to false. Select all parts, group as model, and name it Moving Platform. Group as folder and name it Moving Platforms. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script makes moving platforms travel smoothly between numbered checkpoints in order and automatically works for any new platform models added. Get services and folder. Setting how fast the platform moves and how long it waits at each checkpoint. Setup function. Get platform and find checkpoints. Looks through all parts in the model, finding numbered checkpoints. Only numbered parts become checkpoints. And insert into table. Sorts checkpoints from smallest number to biggest. Make sure there are at least 2 checkpoints. Warns developer if not. Measures how far platform must move. Calculates time based on speed. Creates smooth linear movement. Waits until movement finishes. Runs movement in a separate thread. Loops forever. Move forward and backward. Automatically prepares all existing platforms. If you add a new moving platform during gameplay, it automatically works. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You can duplicate the model and add number parts to the platform for further movement. Your platform will be able to move according to your numerical parts. However, you will encounter a problem where players will not move in sync with your moving parts. If you don't have a problem with players following the parts, you can leave it as is. But if you want players to move along with the platform, we will write an additional script. Add local scripts to starter player scripts. Writing the script. This local script keeps the player attached to moving platforms by adjusting their position based on the platform's movement every frame. Get services, player and character. This function runs every frame. Creates raycast settings. Shoots a ray 6 studs downward. Checks what the player is standing on. Makes sure something was hit. Checks if the object belongs to a model named Moving Platform. Calculate movement difference. Gets current platform position. Gets how much the platform moved since last frame. Applies that same movement to the player. Stores the current position for next frame. If not on platform. Clears saved position when player steps off. Stops applying movement. Setup when character spawns. This prepares everything when player spawns. Gets references safely. Disconnects old connection. Prevents duplicate loops. Stop when player dies. Run setup immediately if character exists. Runs again after respawn. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.